Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to be learning how to properly burn a beeswax candle. For starters, you want to make sure it's on a secure plate. And then I recommend using a wick trimmer. They're designed to cut the candle to the perfect wicks of a 1/4 inch. So you just set it on there and you trim it. And then we light the candle. So the candles have burned about 3 hours now. We just want to roll the edges in on the pillar. That helps it keep its memory, so it keeps continuing to burn out to that same diameter. Just fold the edges in. Beeswax has a memory, so if you just keep letting it burn, when you blow it out, it won't remember to burn out to that same diameter, which can cause the tunneling effect. So you just want to roll the edges in. That helps it burn better. So on a beeswax pillar candle, you want to burn them for approximately the hours in inches. So a 2-inch candle, you want to burn for 2 hours. 3-inch, 3 hours. And as you can see, these candles have burned for approximately 4.5 hours now. This one is almost burned up. It was a 6-inch taper when we started. The standard for a taper is 1 inch an hour. It's got approximately 2 inches left, so that's burned very nice. And the pillar, we've rolled the edges in, and we're going to go ahead and blow them out, or snuff them out, I should say. And because we have rolled the edges in on this pillar, it will burn back out to that same inch, so we're not tunneling. And there you have it, guys, how to properly burn a beeswax candle.